In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Brevo affiliate program. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your application submitted and know exactly what each question means so you can answer confidently. To follow along, have a few basics ready. Your first and last name, your company or brand name, your website, a work email address, the country you operate from, and a clear idea of who your audience is and how large it is. Start by opening your browser and heading to brevo.com/partner/affiliates. On that page, look to the right side for the application form. Begin with your basic details. Type in your first name, last name, your company name, the company's website, your work email, and select your country. Use a professional email you actively monitor and make sure your website is accessible and reflects what you do. When everything looks correct, click Next. You'll be asked whether your website is your primary source of income. Choose yes or no based on your situation. There's no trick here. Brevo is simply trying to understand your business model, so answer honestly. Click. Next to continue. Next, you'll see a question about where your audience is located. Select the regions that best match your traffic or customer base. You can choose more than one, so cover the areas where you meaningfully reach people. If you're unsure, think about your analytics, where most of your readers, viewers, or customers come from. Click Next. You'll then be asked for your audience size. Enter a realistic number that reflects your main channel, whether that's monthly website visitors, email subscribers, or social followers. Accuracy helps set expectations, so avoid inflating this figure. You'll also see a prompt asking what kinds of resources or content would help you promote Brevo. Use this field to describe how you plan to feature them. Examples might include in-depth product reviews, how-to tutorials, case studies, comparison pages, newsletters, or webinars. The clearer you are about your promotional approach, the easier it is for the team to understand your fit. When you're done, click Next. Finally, review the information you've entered, make any quick corrections if you spot typos, and then click Accept to finalize the application. This confirms your submission and signals that you agree to proceed under Brevo's program terms. That's it. You've navigated to the affiliate page, completed the form with accurate business and audience details, clarified your promotional plan, and accepted the terms. Take a moment to save your notes about what you plan to create. Those ideas will help you get started fast once you're in. Thanks for watching, and great job taking the first step toward partnering with Brevo.